The beauty space is up in flames because of this lip kit. Everyone's saying it's too sticky, it's goopy. We need to talk about it. So I'm Michaela's friend, and I actually think she's one of the most successful beauty influencers of our time. But my job is to review beauty products. So that's what we're gonna do, because this is the most talked about beauty launch right now. I'm a makeup artist, and I've been reviewing beauty formulas online for the last 15 years. I've seen products come and go, innovations come in and out, and that's what I'm gonna base this entire review on. Let's just jump into it. So this is the AMP kit by Point of View Beauty. In the kit, there's 2 formulas, but this is the one causing all the commotion. It's a lip treatment with the consistency of a lip mask. It's literally called a lip ampule. It's a lip treatment made to repair your lips. Hydrating your lips is a step in the makeup preparation routine, right? And we know that Point of View Beauty is a skin prep line. Why are we applying it like a lip gloss? That's the first mistake here. This is clearly a lip treatment. Unfortunately, this was an oversight on Point of View's end because this was marketed and educated wrong to the consumer. Now, if you're a beauty lover, you know this has happened in the beauty space before. A product is great, the formula is amazing, but it's marketed and educated wrong, so it creates uproar and controversy. And unfortunately, if you solely base your review on what Point of View marketed and educated online during the launch, you would absolutely give this a negative review. But if you are a makeup artist, a beauty junkie, or someone who really enjoys product formulas and understand how they layer and work together, regardless of all the negative reviews, regardless of what you see online, you would think differently. And you would know that this is too thick to apply like a lip gloss, because it's not a lip gloss, it's a lip treatment. And sadly, in majority of the reviews you see online, including the brands, they are applying this formula like a lip gloss. But the problem is actually not the formula. This works very well as a lip treatment. So how do you apply it? You're supposed to apply this in a thin layer because it's a lip treatment. And in order for this formula to penetrate your lips and actually hydrate and repair your lips, it has to be applied in thin layers multiple times a day. And the truth is, layering this formula or adding more on top does not make the formula perform better. This is just a tinted lip treatment. Now you know how to properly apply it, but remember, this is a lip kit. And Contour It, the lip liner, is actually the star of the show. But all the negative reviews from this overshadowed how well this actually performs. But that's just how social media works. Now, if you know beauty products, you know from the first swipe, this is a gel cream lip liner. Not new to the market, but this is definitely waterproof. So when this dries down, it locks in. You can definitely run it underwater, you can have a drink, and your lips will be locked in. But again, Point of View made an error in marketing this lip liner. So if I were reviewing this kit as 2 formulas that are supposed to work together in unison, I would absolutely give this a negative review because it missed the mark. We know that this lip liner is a waterproof formula. Now, It, this is an oil-based formula. And again, this lip liner is a waterproof formula, not an oil-proof formula. So when you combine these 2, they absolutely work against each other. They're literally working against each other because they're formulated to do 2 different things. Here's the problem. Point of View put it in a kit when they should have actually been sold as individual formulas. Because taking a waterproof formula and then adding an oil-based formula on top will absolutely make it patchy, will absolutely make it break apart, will absolutely not look good, and it will absolutely get a negative review. Now, if you actually take the time to try each formula out individually, you're gonna see that these formulas are actually phenomenal. And I'm telling you, this lip liner is actually the star of the show. This lip liner alone will run laps around what you currently use in your routine right now. This is phenomenal. The marketing and education fell short. Ultimately, I think Point of View is trying to give their fans the best bang for their buck, so they put it in a kit. Now, I'm not sure how the testing works at Point of View Beauty, but based solely on the marketing and lack of education, I can tell as a consumer, as a beauty lover, as a beauty expert, as a makeup artist, that these formulas were tested individually and perfected individually. That's why they work well individually. I don't think they were tested together for a long period of time, or else you would have been able to see and identify those holes in the formulas partnering together. I also think that beauty influencers in our space miss the mark, okay? I think a lot of people want to be the first to review a formula, the first to get their review out, but don't actually know how to review formulas properly or understand how they work. And remember, I've been in the beauty space for 15 years, okay? So I've seen the ups and downs of the beauty community, and I will tell you right now, being viral is over. It's over. In 2026, you need to know your shit. You need to know products. You need to know formulas. You need to know education. You actually need to know your shit. So if you are watching this video and you know exactly what I'm talking about formulas, layering together, things clashing, marketing, all of this, and you get it, well, it's time to pick up your camera, honey. Your time's coming up. And that's my point of view on Point of View.